Want to start investing without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Investing young is like giving your money a head start in a marathon. The earlier it gets going, the further it can go. But finding those entry points, those companies that speak to your future and your budget, that can be tricky. That's why I'm breaking down 5 stocks that are perfect for new investors, especially if you're just starting to learn the ropes. We're talking about companies you know, use, and understand because investing shouldn't require a finance degree. Let's be real, you probably already spend a decent amount of money at Apple. Whether it's a new iPhone every couple of years or, let's be honest, every year, those AirPods you just to have, or maybe a subscription to Apple Music. Apple is already a part of your life. Why not make it a part of your portfolio? What makes Apple a great entry point for young investors is that it's a name you know and understand. You see their products, you use their services, you get their appeal. And spoiler alert, you're not the only one. Apple has consistently outperformed the market, and while past performance isn't an indicator of future success, it does give you an idea of their stability. Plus, with Apple constantly innovating and expanding into new things like streaming services and maybe even cars one day, who knows what the future holds? This isn't just about buying stock, it's about buying into a company that's constantly evolving. Okay, let's talk Tesla. Even if you aren't cruising around in a Model S yet, you can't deny the impact Tesla has had on, well, everything. Electric vehicles, sustainable energy, even space exploration. Tesla is at the forefront of industries that are literally shaping the future. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Tesla is expensive, and you're not wrong. Their cars are definitely a splurge. But their stock? That's where things get interesting. Tesla is considered a growth stock, meaning its value has the potential to skyrocket, pun intended, in the coming years. They're constantly innovating, expanding their product line, and tapping into a market that's only getting bigger, the eco-conscious consumer. Investing in Tesla isn't just about buying a piece of a car company, it's about investing in a vision of the future. It's a chance to be a part of something bigger, something that's changing the world. Let's face it, the stock market can feel like a roller coaster. Ups, downs, loop-the-loops, it can be a wild ride. That's where Johnson & Johnson comes in. They're like that steady, reliable friend we all need in our lives. You know, the one who's always there to offer a listening ear and some sound advice. In the world of investing, Johnson & Johnson is that friend. They're a global healthcare giant with products ranging from baby shampoo to groundbreaking pharmaceuticals. What makes them a safe bet, especially for new investors, is their stability. They've been around for over 135 years. They pay a consistent dividend, more on that later, and they operate in a market that's always going to be in demand, healthcare. Investing in Johnson & Johnson is like building a strong foundation for your portfolio. It's not going to be the flashiest investment, but it's one that can provide stability and peace of mind, especially when the market gets bumpy. Okay, we can't talk about stocks without mentioning the king or queen of the internet, Google. But here's the thing, Google is just one piece of the puzzle. They're owned by a parent company called Alphabet, and let me tell you, Alphabet is. We're talking Google Search, YouTube, Android, and a whole bunch of other companies you probably use every single day. What makes Alphabet so appealing, especially to younger generations, is their constant innovation. They're not afraid to take risks, to experiment, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. From self-driving cars to artificial intelligence, Alphabet is shaping the future of technology. Investing in Alphabet is like investing in the future of the internet. It's a chance to be a part of something that's constantly evolving, constantly growing, and constantly changing the world. Let's be real, everyone knows Coca-Cola. It's been a household name for over a century, and their iconic red logo is recognized around the world. But here's the thing about Coca-Cola that many people don't realize. They're a dividend powerhouse. What's a dividend, you ask? It's basically a share of a company's profits that they pay out to their investors. Think of it like a bonus for investing in their company. Coca-Cola has been paying dividends consistently for decades, and they've even increased their dividend payout for the past 60 years straight. That's some serious consistency, my friends. Investing in Coca-Cola is a long game. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth steadily over time. It's about owning a piece of a company that's been around for generations and will likely be around for generations to come. Plus, who doesn't love a refreshing Coke every now and then? So, there it is. 5 stocks that are perfect for young investors looking to dip their toes into the market. We covered Apple, the tech giant with a loyal following; Tesla, the innovative company driving towards a sustainable future; Johnson & Johnson, the reliable healthcare company providing stability; Alphabet, the parent company of Google, constantly pushing the boundaries of technology; and CocaCola, the dividend king with a century-long legacy. Remember, this is just a starting point. Before investing in any stock, it's crucial to do your own research. Check out apps like Robinhood for easy investing and websites like Investopedia to expand your investment knowledge.